Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to our exercise 21.3. So here we will discuss some questions of exercise 21.3. In your first question, the diagonal of a quadrilateral shaped field is 36 cm and the perpendicular dropped on it from the remaining opposite vertices are 10 cm and 12 cm. Find the area of the field. According to this statement, our diagram is like that. I have a one quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means that closed figure covered with closed with the four straight line. So here AB, BC, CD and AD are four-sided quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means any closed figure has four sides. So here you have given only one diagonal. Like I join this AC, this is a diagonal. Length of this diagonal is 36 centimeter and those vertices are not connected with the diagonal. So from that vertices there are two perpendicular dropped on this diagonal. Like in this is 10 centimeter, this is 12 centimeter. Okay, you have to find the area of this whole quadrilateral. If you look at this, in this AD is one triangle and this ABC is the second triangle. You have bases given, you have perpendicular is given. So first you have to find the area of triangle ABC, half into base into height. So that gives you 180 centimeters square. Then you have to find area of the triangle ADC, that is again half into base into height. So that gives you 216 centimeter. When there are two different triangles, when you add the area of these two triangles, that give you area of the quadrilateral. 180 plus 216, that is 396 centimeters square. Now in your second question, statement is that the area of quadrilateral field is 1250 meters square. The area of a quadrilateral field is 1250 meters square. The measure of one of its diagonal is 50 meter and the measure of two perpendicular on this diagonal in the ratio 2:3. Find the measure of each perpendicular. So actually it is just exactly above question, but only difference is that there you have to find the area. Here you have area of quadrilateral is given, diagonal length is given 50 meter, but two perpendicular length is not given. So that is dropped on this. So one length of perpendicular is 2x and another length of perpendicular is 3x, because length of the perpendicular ratio is given. So if this is 2 and this is 2:3, so that will be considered as 2x and that will be considered as 3x. So we consider our first perpendicular is 2x and second perpendicular is 3x. Again we go with the different way, area of triangle ABC and area of triangle ADC, that is half into base into height. So area of triangle ABC according to half into base into height is 50x meters square. Then area of triangle ADC half into base into height is 75x meters square. Now when you add this one, that gives you area of quadrilateral ABCD, but actual you have given in your question area of quadrilateral is 1250 meters square. So we compare with 1250. So after calculation we get the answer x is equal to 10. When you get the answer x is equal to 10, you apply it here. First perpendicular, length of first perpendicular, length of second perpendicular. So that is 2 into 10, 20 meter, and second perpendicular length is 30 meter. Now next your third question is, in this third question, if a parallelogram has an area of 48 centimeter, you have given the area of parallelogram is 48 centimeter square. You have to calculate height if you have base as given, and you have to calculate the base in the second part if you have height as given. So you have common area of 48 centimeter square given to you, and base in the first part, base is 5 centimeter, height you have to find. Area of parallelogram is base into height. So height you have to find. We apply the value. Height is equal to 48 by 5 is equal to 9.6 centimeter. Similarly, if you have height is given, base you have to find. Apply the same formula. After calculation, you will get base as 6.4 centimeter. Next, your fourth question is that PQRS is this one parallelogram diagram is given in your question with PS is equal to 10. So this PS is equal to 10. T is a point on QR such that it make a triangle PQT, where QT length is 4 centimeter and here this. So this is a perpendicular from P to this QT. So PQT is a triangle and area of triangle is given to me 8 centimeter square. You have to find the height of the triangle. After getting the height, you have to find the area of parallelogram. Okay, so if this is considered as height, so this will be considered as base. When you are going to find the area of the parallelogram, you need two things, base and height. So only this side is given to me, that means if this 10 is this whole length will also be 10, but we can identify the area from that side also. So this will consider as base and that will be considered as perpendicular on that. Generally what we will do, that means the distance, basically height is the distance between two parallel lines. So that is the distance between two parallel lines and this will be considered as base. So for finding the area of parallelogram, first we need a height. For finding the height, we need this triangle PQT. What you have given, PS is equal to 10 centimeter, area of triangle PQT is equal to 8 centimeter square, QT is equal to 4 centimeter. First you have to use this triangle for finding the height. So you have given area of PQT, that is 8 centimeter square, but there is another one more thing, base and height is also there. So if you have to use the formula of area of triangle, half into base into height, you can directly find the height. Like area is 8, height we have to find, QT is the base 4, so that becomes 8 by 2 is 4, so height is equal to 4 centimeter. Now you have to find the area of parallelogram. After getting the height, you have bases there, base into height is the area of parallelogram, so 10 into 4 is 40 centimeter square. Now your fifth question is here. In this fifth question, you have area of rhombus is 102 centimeter. If its perimeter is 24 centimeter, find its altitude. Actually, I already told you, rhombus meaning is four sides are equal to each other and these two diagonals between them that are intersect with each other. Actually in this, basically you have to find the distance between these two sides, like here, like this distance. Okay, this distance you have to find. Okay, so that distance we consider as height, that means distance between two opposite sides, so that you have to find. So first, by using the perimeter formula, so perimeter of square is same as square as a perimeter of rhombus. So perimeter of square formula is 4 into side, perimeter is given to me, from that side is equal to 24 divided by 4, we get 6 centimeter at the as the side of the rhombus. After getting the side, A is equal to 6 centimeter, so we consider our rhombus in the shape of parallelogram, so it will be easier to find the distance between the two opposite sides. So here if we consider as our rhombus is a parallelogram, so if we have area of rhombus is given to us, so this side we can, any side we can consider as base and distance between two sides is considered as height. Then base into height formula we can apply as a parallelogram area formula. So 102 centimeter square, A value is 6 into H. After dividing 102 by 6 we get 17 centimeter is the distance between two sides or parallel sides, because in parallelogram opposite sides are equal to each other. Here it's not opposite side, but opposite sides are there also, but all side measurement is same in the rhombus. Now your sixth question is here. The area of rhombus is 675 centimeter square. Measure of one of its diagonal is 45 centimeter. Find the measure of the second diagonal of the rhombus. Here if you have diagonal, one is given to you, area is given to you, and you have to find the second diagonal, you can apply directly the area of rhombus formula, half into d1 into d2. d1 is the first diagonal, d2 is the second diagonal. Area is given to you 675, then d1 is 45 centimeter by 2, cross multiply here, because when 45 by 2 move other side, 675 divided by 45 by 2 changes to multiply 2 by 45. 45 ones are 45, 45 15s are 675. 15 into 2 give me 30 centimeter. Now you have to find the area of the rhombus. If you have measurement of two diagonals is given to you, how you will find the area of rhombus? You just multiply the two diagonals with each other and divide by 2 according to the formula. 490 centimeter is your required answer. Now in your last question, you have given the difference of the length between the two adjacent side of a parallelogram. Adjacent side means that is connected with the common vertex. Okay, so that is difference of this. Suppose this length and this breadth, if this side we consider as x and this side we consider as y. So in according to your question, difference of these two sides is given you 5. if the perimeter of the parallelogram is 58 centimeter, अगर इस parallelogram का जो perimeter है, that is measurement of all sides. If you add all the sides, so that give you perimeter of this parallelogram. If measurement of all sides, that is perimeter is equal to 58 centimeter, so you have to find the what are the measurement of this all sides. So what you will do, first we will consider length is x, breadth is y. So difference between x minus y is equal to 5. Then x is equal to 5 plus y. Then perimeter is equal to, perimeter we same as use a rectangle because here opposite side length is same. So 2 times x plus 2 times y gives you 2 into x plus y. So here now two variables can't be identified in same equation. So in this equation where we have difference is given x minus y is equal to 5, we extract the x value because this negative y when move on other side that changes to 5 plus y. So that is my first equation. Now we apply this x equation in this, in place of x, 5 plus y, 5 plus 2y, 58 divided by 2 give me 29, 5 subtracted from 29 give me 24, 24 divided by 2 give me 12. Ultimately I find the value y. If I got the value y from first equation, from equation 1, if you apply y value is 12, so x is equal to 5 plus 12 give me 17 centimeter as my required answer.